that Lego set was taking too long, so we're done with it for a little bit. We need to eat. We need to get this guy cleaned off. He's got burrs all over him from jumping in those bushes. And then we're also thinking about taking a cold plunge in the lake, which seems awful because it's about 30 degrees out and that water is probably 45 degrees, which if you've never been in 45-degree water, it is simultaneously the worst and best feeling. But luckily the showers up there are pretty hot, so I think we might do that and then run up to shower. Butters has already taken a cold plunge earlier. He jumped into the lake chasing some geese. For dinner, we're thinking about doing a seafood boil. We'll see what we can find at the grocery store around here because we're in the middle of nowhere right now. I don't know if they're gonna have the best seafood.
No.
Oh my god! Oh my god, my feet!
Ow!
Oh, this shit hurts.
I can't move.
Alright, I gotta go.
They're locked up.
You're taking too long.
Ow! My legs are locking up. All right.
Come on.
Butters, let's go. Help. Okay. Butters just thinks this is so much fun. Almost turned me.
You're gonna fall.
Yeah. Come on, Butters. Oh my gosh. All right, we just got done. Cold plunge, showered. Now the sun's starting to set, so we got to get to cooking soon, but we have to run to the grocery store first so we can get seafood boil stuff. Hopefully we can find enough for that, and hopefully our pots are big enough to cook the crab or whatever else we might get. Yeah, couldn't finish the Lego set today. It's gonna take too long and we had to get going. But maybe tonight, we'll see what we're up to. We'll check in later. Into town. All right, since Aldi didn't have great seafood, we're heading to Walmart now. But we did get Gushers.
A little snack.
We just need crab legs and then like the seasoning, and then we should have a seafood boil. Got the snow crab.
How much butter you reckon?
Yeah. cannot have the. Oops, that was a picture.
Ooh, it looks good.
All right, dinner is served. Tonight we're having a crab boil as Val's requested. Crab, shrimp, mussels, which I don't like. Here you go. And some sausage, which is my favorite. Thanks for cooking.
You're welcome.
Not that I know how to cook this anyway. Lots of protein in this meal. I like it.
It's just all protein.
Hopefully Walmart crab legs are pretty good. But Walmart's really and Aldi are the really only grocery stores around here. We're in the middle of nowhere, Ohio. Well, we're gonna eat this and watch some stuff on our projector. And we'll either check in tonight or tomorrow. All right, we're just finishing packing up. We were here for 2 days, so that's coming to an end. And we live about like an hour and a half from this place, so we were gonna make that drive back now. But yeah, that's all from us for this episode, I guess. I'll see you guys later.